Boris Johnson to be Republic Day parade chief guest. First British PM in 27 years to grace Rajpath. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson will be the chief guest at India's Republic Day parade in 2021. Prime Minister Narendra Modi extended an invitation to his British counterpart last month. Johnson will be the first British PM to grace the Rajpath parade in 27 years. The British PM said he is absolutely delighted and that he looks forward to delivering the quantum leap in India-UK bilateral ties. The last UK Premier to be the chief guest at the January 26th parade was John Major in 1993. Modi formally invited Johnson during a telephone conversation on November 27. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson invited the Indian PM to the G7 summit to be held in the United Kingdom next year. India and the UK are working towards free trade agreement, so this UK PM visit is very significant. In July, both countries had agreed to prioritize 5 key areas: life sciences, information communications technology, ICT, food and drink, chemicals, and services. British PM Boris Johnson hailed the incredible things being done by India in the solar energy sector, as he warned that the emergency facing the world from climate change was far more destructive than even the COVID-19 pandemic. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has hailed the incredible things being done by India in the solar energy sector.